Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Ramadanul Kareem Mubarak to all the Muslim brother and sister. Today I'm going to share a prophetic remedy that has been proven very helpful to recover any stomach diseases caused by any bacterial infection and also help to lower down the cholesterol level. So without any further ado, let's get started with the recipe. To prepare talbina, I have taken 5 tablespoons of barley which I have soaked for 4 hours. And 2 tablespoons of chopped pistachio, 12 dates, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and 2 tablespoons of almond. I have taken 1 liter of milk here. Once the milk started boiling, I am adding in barley. Put the lid on and let the barley cook properly for around 15 minutes. You have to keep your eyes on the pot, stir in between, and you have to check frequently whether the barley is done or not. Now I'm adding the cardamom powder. You can prepare this healthy and tasty dish for iftar or for sahur. As you can see, the barley is cooked now and it started soaking the milk. So now I'm gonna add the dates. It's a very healthy recipe as I'm not adding any sugar, condensed milk, powdered milk or anything else to this. It's pretty simple to make. And it tastes really alluring. Now I'm adding in the pistachio and almonds. I'll cook this for another 3-4 minutes and I'll be done. See how simple it is? Today I have shared this heart-friendly, cholesterol-free and stomach-friendly recipe only for my lovely viewers. I believe you'll all like my today's recipe. If you do, don't forget to let me know in the comment section how much do you like my today's recipe. Share my today's recipe with all of those who are suffering from any stomach disease or high cholesterol. I believe they will give this recipe a try and it will speed up their recovery process. I'll see you all soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Fi amanillah. Allah Hafiz.